building your roadmap to financial control starts with these pillars. So these pillars, these pillars are key to any well-structured financial plan. So think about your financial plan, and do you have the pillars in place to create this financial roadmap? The first one is financial protection. What did we hear about financial protection earlier? Protection is what? Insurance, disability, critical illness. The first foundation of building a home creates with structure, and that's to make sure that your income's protected. If something happens to you, you're protected with the right types of coverage. We always believe that you have to insure the catastrophic and not the inconsequential. So insurance protection is important. What is the next pillar? Financial control, meaning having wealth-building tools for your future, having control over your plan, understanding your plan, analyzing your plan, and making sure it's meeting all those values we discussed earlier. Financial flexibility is key when an opportunity comes up or something happens in your life that you want to take advantage of, or there's something that's negative that you want to fix financially. You want to have the flexibility to be able to have that money when you need it for a certain goal that comes up, and you can take advantage of that opportunity for having financial flexibility. Financial freedom, financial independence, whatever you want to call it, is making sure that you live the life that you have now and that you have that opportunity to do things you want in life and have the money to do it. End of the day, we all make money, but why does someone have so much income in their lifetime and do not have enough money for their retirement? Why is that? We can all make money, and we can certainly save our money. The goal is it really working for us? So it comes down to behavior, your working cash flow and your active cash flow. And what can you affect anybody the most? Your active, because that's built on emotion. Things that you purchase is all active. Things that you control and not spend on. We're not saying scarcity. We believe budgeting sucks. We don't use budgets. We use abundance thinking and making sure money is allocated in certain areas of all the things you want to do, which is awesome, but make sure it's doing the right things for you.